Tina! What is going on? What is going on? What? Oh, no.
Baby, what's happening?
Tina in my house! You brought in a man!
No.
On my bed!
No, I'm not bringing any man.
Oh my God.
So is that guy, baby?
Oh my
Babe,
God.
no, what's happening?
Oh my
What's
God.
going on?
No.
What's happening?
Lucas.
Babe, I don't know.
No.
Who is that guy?
Lucas, what's going on? I just saw one guy run out from the house.
What happened?
You cheated on me now!
Babe, I'm not cheating. How can I cheat on you?
Shut up your mouth! Don't fucking lie to me! Am I blind?
No, I don't know.
How?
No, baby, I don't know who that guy is. I swear, I don't know.
I don't care. Just get out of my house.
No, baby.
Get out of my house! You still here?
No, baby, wait.
I'll kill somebody right now. How can you bring your man into my house?
No, baby,
How?
I don't know who he is. I swear, I don't know who he is.
I caught you red-handed right here.
Oh my God.
She's your woman. Calm down.
I don't get
just. Can you get her out of this house?
No, please.
Did you not see the guy?
No.
The guy was naked. He was naked. I saw the both of you were naked. Tina, how could you do this? I thought I could trust you. I trusted you with my life.
You reach out by this time of the night.
Yeah, it's late.
It's not safe in the streets, okay?
I don't care.
What's going on?
Get out of my house. I'll kill you.
Babe, I don't know what is going on now. What is happening here, please?
No.
Somebody explain what that guy is.
Just calm down. Tina. Please take good care of yourself, alright? I tried talking to Lucas, but he wouldn't listen.
It's alright. Please tell him I'll wait for him. When he realizes I'm innocent, he knows where to find me.
Alright. Be strong, alright?
Thank you.
I believe you're innocent. We'll miss you here. Can I help you?
It's fine, thank you.
Are you sure? Instagrammers, better I don't land. See, I don't bring in our bonge here. You know how we do it here on this page. If it's not authentic, we don't do. If it's not authentic, we don't sell. So I'm bringing you this spine here. You can see the cap construction is very neat. See it yourself. Silky. See, you will love it. It's from Sonia's Hair Extension. And if you want this, please visit their Instagram page. You know how we do it. See how clean, how neat. See here now. You like what you see, right? You like what you see, right? It enter your eyes, Abby. It enter your eyes, Abby. Oh my! Wait, let me test it. Let me test you guys. You know why I'm the most influential and the most expensive African influencer? You want to know? Because I only sell original things. I only influence for the original brand. So see here.
Leave this one, Drama King.
Come and see here. Come and see here. Come and see here. Ooh, don't you like it? I know you like it.
Come on, make noise for you.
Like it. I know you like it.
Delivered for you. No. Of course, I will definitely be on ground. I can still send my boys to make it happen. No, 7 million is the best I can do. 7 million, to be honest. Okay. Okay. All right, thank you very much, sir. I'll see you in 10. All right, thank you. Hey, Jake.
Baba.
How far now?
I just washed your car key.
Hey, come on, man. You didn't have to. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That's the least I could do here. No, you're a correct guy.
A guy.
All right, now.
Nice one.
Thanks.
I see you.
Yeah.
Just remembered. You complained last night about food.
Oh, yeah.
We're out of food.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send some money to you so you and Kojo will go to the market. You know, I know Kojo knows the market.
No problem. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll see you guys later, yeah?
Have a nice day.
All right.
You know, if it's not the best, I'm not going to bring it to you guys. I'm not going to bring it to you guys. If it's not the best, I'm not bringing it to you guys. Now we dey run Sonia's hair extension. Visit our Instagram page to get a beautiful hair like this. To my own now. It's so silky. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Check them out now. I know you like it. You like it. I know you like it. You like? Hey, bro. Check out this nice hair, bro. You can get it for your girlfriend. So, guys, as I was saying, just go to Sonia's extension on Instagram
Wait.
to get lovely hair.
Hey. Please. Guys,
all right, guys, I'll get back to you.
Guys, come on, what is this? I wake up in the morning, dress for work, and come down and I meet this. You guys are playing what, tennis? By this time of the day? Come on, guys, what is this?
Lucas, I don't understand. Ordinary table tennis. Make we no play table tennis again. Exercise, make we no exercise. I don't understand you, Lucas. Not be the same table tennis way buy keep for your house. Make we no dey use them.
Casey, I don't expect you to understand. Why should you? All you do is what? Sleep, wake up, press phone, eat, and do it all over again. How will these activities get you a job? How?
Come on, Lucas, this is 21st century now. You don't expect me to be carrying far about looking for a job. Everything dey online. Everything where you need, it dey online. Now what for you? Which kind of talk come be that one? No. I know they like this kind of thing. I don't like this kind of matter at all. Not be because say you first me get job, no me say I don't go get job. Oh. You see for this time, I go get job. I know you because I dey stay under your house. You go they talk to me and they carry talk to me like say I be small pikin. Not forget say all of us graduated together. Oh. And back then in school, I mean they foot your bills. I mean they give you money, Lucas. And they give you money like small pikin. You dey alright. You come here, they talk to me because you don't see me finish. I don't blame you. Now life now I blame.
Why do you think you're in my house? Why do you think I harbor you, feed you, tolerate your rubbish? Why? See, because I remember. I do. But now this isn't about me. It's about you now. You contribute nothing to this house, but I don't care. I just want you to contribute something to yourself. You are getting old. Get a job. Jesus Christ.
I don't blame you.
You too.
Lucas, I don't just blame you. I don't blame you at all. Now poverty, now sector. When carry me they go where I don't know. Now I blame. I said I'm small pikin. I'm small pikin. I tell you small pikin for ya. When we dey school, I mean they give you money. I mean I dey give you money 2 months. I break come up for here.
Down. They
Open the gate for me.
Bro, be calming down now.
They talk to me anyhow.
Now wow.
Talk to me like say
Look, I don't have anything to tell you. I don't have anything. I don't have anything to tell you.
I go give you my gate. Come and talk to me anyhow.
Let me open the gate.
I dey put money for your pocket like small
Sorry
kid.
for interruption.
What you dey talk? Because say you get small money now, you come dey buga, come dey goof. We dey
How are
goof
you
for.
guys seeing the hair?
Small money when enter your pocket, you don dey jump.
Sonia's collection and get to yours. It enter your eyes, Abi. You like what you see, Abi? You like what you see, Abi? You know, Sonia hair extension, the run amu, and Kasida the advertise amu. Hurry now, before you go.
Talk to person anyhow. You talk to person like say everybody here na small pikin.
Guy, I don't even understand you, guy. I don't get you. Why will you talk to Lucas like that? Why will you talk to him like that? Everyone in this house knows that Lucas is trying for us. He's not easy to take care of 4 grown-up guys. He feeds us sometimes, he gives us money. You don't have any reason to disrespect him for anything. He's trying for us, guy.
And so what? No, tell me, and so what? He is not the first to do that, and he will certainly not be the last person to do it. You know what I do for Lucas? Back then in school, do you know what I did for Lucas? Because there's small money don't enter your hand, he couldn't raise shoulder. I beg, don't tell me.
See, whatever Lucas is doing, he's doing
tell me
for us.
nonsense. No, just tell me nonsense.
What Lucas is doing is for our good, bro.
It sound like television.
What Lucas is doing is for our good.
That's
You
it
two be
finish.
coming down now.
That's it finish.
Guys, they allow you burn down this house. See, whatever Lucas is doing, he's doing it because of our own. He's doing it for our own good. You get my point? I know he still have his flaws, but he's doing it for our own good. So I need you to get that point.
Send me around like say me kissing a small pikin for this house.
You want to burn down this house?
Don't be see finish.
Wetin dey happen? Why 12 na key face like Nigeria economy?
It's not him.
Casey, Lucas said we should go to the market together. And he specifically said you should lead the way because you know your way around the city. You know, say you sabi waka well.
You see what they talk? No. You see what they talk? All he does is to be sending us around as if we are his boys. No, wait. Who be Lucas boy for this house? I want to know. Who be Lucas boy for this house? What about his girlfriend? Can't he send his girlfriend to the market to buy the food stores? Na me can see fresh boy. Make I come the enter market, they buy ose, they buy oba, they buy ogiri. Which kind of na say finish now?
Coming down,
I know they go any market.
Be coming down.
I know they go
like that now.
What did they worry you, sir?
Is this
easy? If it is, why you no go get your own house? What did they worry this boy? Ungrateful soul. This guy na fool, oh.
What you do? I go tear your head now. I say the man, your papa. In fact, Ogu will kill your
guy. You don't need to fight
punish you.
Oh, this your drama.
They come here grateful.
It's okay.
You don't fight.
I want to tear your head. It's okay. We don't need to fight each other. Guy, calm down. I don't like this now.
Your mate. See, when they go get jam, bring to mastiff, you go believe.
Come up for you.
I go run you down.
I go tear your head now. Not see, not there.
Guy, you calm down now. Guy.
I'm going to show you.
Control yourself now. I'm holding him. You want to fight him?
I'm going to show you. Send me how you do that thing.
Guy, you don't do now. You don't do.
I don't blame you now.
You don't do now.
I don't blame you now. For this house, I don't blame you now. Now look at Stein cause all this nonsense. Now it cause all this say finish. But it will happen now. Not for this house. I go collect. I go show that. Rice where they bottom pot. You go still come on top cooler. No next time you go take. I be tired of grace. I bet come up for road.
Nothing. System, you know.
Guy, go do it.
Oga, see, this guy an idiot.
We're not supposed
Why
to.
Why do they act like woman when they menstruate?
It's okay.
I go.
You want fight again?
The blow I go give you.
Guy, be coming down now. You don't run away from you.
This guy on time. I go just sweet blow. Come on your eye.
See this one.
You don't do that.
Guy, don't do now. Guy.
I go load it for nose, he go flat. You don't know me.
I no blame you. Boy, go buy something for market.
We don't hear
See this
I
one.
be fresh.
We don't hear you now.
Near me.
We don't hear now.
Boy, go market. Go buy food stocks. Now your work. Boy.
Go load it for nose now, nose go
I hear
flat.
me careless talk now. Go just post person head.
Now because of you I dey leave this guy you.
I no go hold am again.
Now because of you I dey leave this guy you.
In carry bottle.
Wetin be bottle?
I no hold am
Okay, you
again.
don't know me, forget oh. Forget say I dey calm. I go rubbish. I go crush him boss. He go come out for him nose. Wetin you worry? Who him be?
I'm hungry. Any food in the house?
Oga no be food matter. And that this guy, you want make me lose my appetite. If you want join me, go wash your hand. Now the last portion be this.
Make I chop the last one. I say you don't.
He never chop for now. He dey make noise.
See, you don't lose appetite. Then make I chop
anger dey make you no fit even shout. Wan make me lose appetite for food wey I wan chop? Nonsense.
Wash and chop.
No, they look the monkey now. No, come follow me chop. Hunger go soon blow you. Even that drink, you go drink and finish. Hunger. See, person wey no even sabi press laptop, they say my man go pay. So we're near.
If you will not come to the food small.
Babe, are you at home?
Yeah, babe, but I'm about heading out. Ejike and I are going to the market.
Babe, today is Monday. Oh. You promised to give me that 30k for my hair and nails.
Okay, fine. You can come to the house tomorrow morning. I think I have some cash here.
Oh, that's my baby. You know you're the sweetest, the best boyfriend in the whole wide world.
The best boyfriend in the whole wide world. The one who will give you now will turn to worst boyfriend though.
Babe, don't talk like that though. You're my hobby of life. You know I don't joke with you.
Drama queen, I beg, don't want me, Joe.
Alright, baby, love you. Buy something for me in the market. Kiss, kiss. Bye, love you.
I love you too. Best boyfriend. The day one who will give you now will turn to worst boyfriend. We met.
This series is always very interesting. Come on, move, man.
Come, where you? Boy. Where they go? Where they go the market now?
Okay, give me 1 minute. Make I finish with that.
Which kind of body talk be that one? See, if you make me vex now, I go inside, go relax, only you want to go that market. I don't understand. Maybe because sit down here, they wait for you. Say who you be. Who you be, Kwan?
I don't even understand. What be your problem? Like, I want. What is your problem? Why are you so troublesome and bad-tempered? I mean, now we make you never cash out for 3 years when they press laptop.
Oh, Benny, do that nonsense. Come on, they go the market. If they come carry the car queue, I don't want to insult you now, because if I insult you now, they go say I don't insult my papa age.
Okay, come up for you.
I know they look your baby, oh, this your white hair, I know they see him.
Smarty, you go there, Curtis when they sport with person.
If you like, no come.
Ejike.
Only you go in the market. After all, na boy, now you be. Now your work.
No, you not be boy.
Ejike.
Don't mind this idiot. So I'm a bastard. Who?
You should go. When you later on, you can jump from where we stopped, okay? That barking dog is up to no good. That guy is crazy.
This one, no be better dog. Now he cook and I in the back like this.
Oh man, I'm good, Jai.
Cook where they chop shit inside bush.
Mother buy me bottle granite when they come back.
Oga say you no follow go market, no me say you go there house.
Oga buy me granite.
I no be DJ, no they give me music request.
Thanks, guy. Me won't steal person out of his body. Think he can hide money away from me. Carry this one, keep in my pocket. Should I go with all of them? Keep this one back.
Haruna! Haruna!
Hi. It's not like Cassidy. Instagram celebrity will not get shish for real life. I don't have clothes to borrow to him.
Where is this boy? Haruna!
With that one now. Guy, how far now? Why they shout my name like a mad dog? What's happen? With no respect. What's happen now? Haruna. What's happen? If na clothes, can you come? I don't have any clothes to lend to you. I don't tell you my own. I don't have any clothes to give to you. The one I gave you last week, I went to the mall on Monday and people were staring at me like, say, I wear shit for body.
Eh? You mean they recognized the clothes?
Yeah?
You mean they actually recognized the clothes on you? Oh my God, I am so happy. You see, I have over 400k followers on Instagram and most of them are from this neighborhood. You should be happy a top celebrity like me was wearing your clothes. You have no idea how much I charge people to influence stuff to them. You should be happy.
Celebrity my foot. A celebrity that cannot even afford to buy a common shirt for himself. Oga, if you want shirt, go to the market and buy you. At least the market is very close to you. No come worry me, oh. No get problem. I dey tell you, I beg.
Haruna.
Haru what?
Why are you doing this to me? Eh? It's just clothes, ordinary clothes, and I will wear, I would return to you. Eh? Why are you being like this? You see, that's why I love Casey. If it were to be Casey, he never says no to me. Whenever I come to him, he gives me. Where is himself? Casey boy! Casey!
Oga, stop making noise there. Casey has gone out with AGK.
Oh my God. Oh my God. And I have a meeting with a skincare brand though. Eh? God will not let me go there and disgrace myself. I have to look my best. Don't you want me to look my best?
Who be this one? Eh?
Haruna. Anyways, I'll just call Casey. It's the only choice I have now. The only person I can rely on is my phone.
You can go to his room and take anything you want. His door is open. But let me tell you, whatever he pick from his room, make sure you return it on time before he realizes that his screws are missing. My hand no deal. Anything contrary to that, okay, you're on your own. I don't tell you. Make you not talk, so I don't tell you. Me, I'm not ready to fight. That one, I'm a dog.
How? You see why I love Casey? He knows I was coming and that's why I left the door open. Eh? I better shift. Shifty! Poverty. See how poverty, they smell, they follow you.
No, they fear.
Stingy goats. Poverty won't kill you. The clothes still they stingy. Remember, I'll collect something for better person place.
See, idiot, why they help?
I beg, get out, Jerry.
Instagram celebrity will no get shishi. One naira, buy you no get for account. Your own not to the carry shoulder. Influencer will no get 1 naira. God forbid I believe anything I saw on Instagram. Fake life everywhere. Stupid boy.
Stay put.
Thanks, sweet.
Calm down, baby girl.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
That's my girl. Easy, okay?
Let's go watch it, drop your comments.
Hey, after you, baby.
How are you?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? What?
Babe. Babe. It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
You say if you got to do is your number 6. I'm a person power like they smoke, they drink, they go. You will go down on this your alcohol because don't give you the grace.
And I say you dey mad. Thunder fire you. I will just
back like dog.
come keep quiet. See,
You meet like
I won't play jam. I don't want to hear that your mosquito voice.
You meet like B. Each difference not much. They accommodate you, see they mess up. What song is that?
If you ever vibe to my jam, I go slap the girl where you come out. You don't crazy? You won't come vibe to my jam? Jam now.
Your jam now, you sing am. Eh? You take the back like dog.
I don't want to hear that your mosquito voice.
This time we won't play this thing for my Instagram live. And they charge artists better money to blend their song.
You know the hear word. I said, man, you no vibe to my jam.
Mrs. Adebola, I'm a man of few words, okay? All I can tell you is you can trust me to deliver for you. No, just Google my name, Lucas Okonkwo. It's on the internet. Yes, all my business dealings will show. I understand. Yes, I do. Okay? I am the guy to deliver for you. Not to worry about it. As we speak, I've spoken to the owners of the property, and the one in Banana Island said it's for 1.5 billion naira, while the one in Lekki Phase 1 is for 250 million naira. Yeah, sure. We can sit over lunch tomorrow and discuss further. Yeah, I'll let you know my commission by then. It's okay. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Work.
We've finally gone to their various room.
Oh.
Don't get mad at them, babe. They're still your friends.
It's not like I'm mad. Yeah, I'm mad at them. Okay? I mean, come on, babe. I do everything for them in this house. Food, I shelter them. I'm not complaining. The only thing I expect for them is to keep their sanities together. Come on, they were aware I was coming home with you. Look at everywhere messed up.
I don't think it was intentional. I just feel like you should talk to them. I mean, just because you provide everything for them doesn't mean they can't find something useful to do with their lives. They're not getting any younger. They can't depend on you forever.
Yeah.
Or will they bring their wives here when they finally get married?
I tire. I tire. The truth is, babe, I'm not angry they're living with me. Alright? I have no problem with that. I mean, these guys, they're my guys. One way or the other, they have impacted me. Take Casey, for instance. When we were in the university, he used his school fees to feed me. I can't forget that. What of Ejike? When I wanted to enroll for WAEC, he stole from his parents for me to pay. That I can't forget. Haruna, when I was doing my NYSC in Kaduna, Haruna was there. He helped me a lot. I can't even emphasize on that. Cassidy. I won't be where I am today if not for Cassidy's Instagram influencing whatever that he does. So you see, one way or the other, these guys, they're bonded to me. But come on, I hate the fact that I'm irritated that they are doing nothing. What? They're just doing nothing. It's pissing me off.
Just talk to them. Let them know you're not happy with their idleness. Tell them. Okay?
Yeah. I'll tell them.
Should.
But for now, Mamma Mia,
What?
come to daddy.
The only daddy I know is asleep.
You and I know that is not true. I'm your big daddy.
You mean Zaddy?
Yes,
Zaddy.
I've got what you need.
Zaddy.
Hey, girl.
Hi, Cassidy.
Kiss Diamond, please.
Anyone?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you two?
Alright, I'm fine. Hey, look at your skin. Oh my god, see how you're glowing. What skincare brand are you using? You know, I can actually influence them. I am the biggest force in this part of the world. It's over 400k followers. So whatever Cassie Diamond touches turns into gold.
Please don't even start with me. It's God.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's God.
Okay, so where are the guys?
They're still sleeping, I guess.
By this time? Oh my god! Do they think this place is a motel? And Lucas?
He's left already.
Why would those boys be sleeping by this time? You know, people are busy on the internet, bagging endorsements upon endorsement, and they're here sleeping like as if they were stung by flies. Oh my god. See, I'll just go and wake them up, alright? See, I have bagged so many endorsements of late. Don't worry, I have a lot to gist you, alright? I'll be back. Let me wake them up, right?
Because you're so dramatic. Oh, wow.
Oga, wake up! Ah! Oh my god, no, I'm good.
Who is this one now? What's your problem? So you can't even knock before I enter my room.
Why are you naked?
You the Chris. Is this not my room? How is it your business?
Oh well, it's 10 a.m. already, so I came to wake you up. Please come and make use of your time, huh? It's morning, bro. It's morning.
Get out from my room.
I'm hungry. I'll come and make breakfast. Slumberer. Boy.
Which kind of breed be this one? Every time person gonna do like chekeleke.
Yeah, baby. Oh my god. Take it down a little bit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Baby, take it down a little bit. Just take it down. Take it down. Take it down, baby.
Oh my god, what's that? What do you think you're doing?
What the fuck are you doing here? Eh?
Oh my god, this house is just full of puffs.
Get out!
I'm already living in your pornographic room.
Come on, this room.
Oh god damn it!
This boy is crazy. Sorry, baby. Are you there?
Baby, please. I need this money. Please, I just need this money. I can't even send money from where I am. Yes. My love, please. My daughter is very sick. Yes, I can send money for her. Yes, I'm in the sea. I can send money. Please, just send it to me. I will send it back once I'm out. Yes, I'm going to pay you back.
Scammer.
Hey,
Bros, now the same
this one.
me and you do. I swear, streets no easy. No easy.
Scammer, kill your head there. In fact, Dylan and I go jam you to death. You do close. Which kind of nonsense be this one?
Guy, go find better update though. This your update don't cast.
Be this one. Scammer, kill you there. You do close. Which kind of devil be this one? Eh? Who send you? In fact, Caterpillar go jam you to death. You do close.
Guy, this your formats don't cast now. Go look for legit formats, guy.
Come on, come on.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my nipples! Oh my god!
Cassidy! What are you doing in my room?
Goodness. Oh my goodness!
Cassidy, what are you doing in my room?
Oh please don't put your frustrations on me. Scammer, jump scammer. Equal to lion, swallow lion.
Cassidy, yeah, before I close my eyes and open it, you don't come out from my room. Cassidy!
Do you know that you can actually find something better to do with your life? Like make better use of your daughter? See, people are using their data to bag ambassadorial deals on Instagram. You're wasting your data on some cheap. Oh my goodness!
Cassidy! Idiot! Cassidy! You see this idiot? You see this alaye? Now God will punish you.
Checkerboard.
Guys, food is ready.
Come on, I can't wait.
We
I'm
know
very
the
hungry.
food you're ready. Food is ready.
Whoa. Thank God Tina came. It's been a long time I had something delicious. Tina, please don't ever skip a week without coming. Me one cannot keep person for this house. So I beg. I beg.
Okay.
Don't they miss yan? So all the food we they cook for you, you know, so now they can like with you, no.
Which food? This food where they cook after you chop finish, you go to purge. This is the real food now. This one is prepared by the first lady of this big mansion. If you think say easy, go and marry now.
Haruna, it's okay. It's
I'll
okay.
leave this one, make her chop food, I beg.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him. Where's Casey and Cassidy? Where are they?
I don't know where those one put her though.
You dey look, you know, go call Casey, I mean, they wait to make her call her for you.
Okay, make her chop food first now.
Okay, Haruna, go call Casey while I call Cassidy.
Let me eat first now.
No, please go call him. Please.
Let's not chop together now.
Go call Casey, make she call Cassidy.
Okay, I don't hear now. Don't touch my meat too. You no chop now. I don't know where that one day say.
For my papa self, I never even chop 2 weeks. Hey! See fufu! So this kind of soup dey and then she carry rice come serve person. No, you can just finish this one first. They come back.
An endorsement deal with Honors World.
Yes, girl.
Wow! I've been following them on Instagram for a while now. They sell amazing stuff.
You see, they're actually the best styling plug ever.
Yeah.
Do you know they offered me 5 million naira for this endorsement deal?
5 million?
Yes, guys, you know, I've been cashing out so well of late. God has been really good. Wow.
That's nice.
Yeah, influencer.
Just sit, enjoy. Let me get your water.
Thank you so much, darling. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, it smells, oh, share.
Casey, did you take extra meats from the pot?
Yeah, you should know I love eating meat. You can't just serve me food with 2 pieces of meat. It's not done. If it were to be your boyfriend, will you serve him food with 2 pieces of meat? Come on, man. I'm a grown man. You should treat me like one. Don't do that.
I'll go get your water.
My darling.
What kind of a woman be like you? Eh? So disrespectful and ill-mannered.
You want to be already. Well, newsflash is in our boyfriend's house. This is not your house. If you want to be a man, you go get yourself an apartment. Rubbish.
Yeah, now what for you? You know cook food, you go person pot, go find extra meat. Eh? If shamelessness was a person.
I could just pop pepper for your eyes.
You know, go wait, I'm just
Pop pepper for your eyes now.
I mean, because I never pull out.
Don't mind now.
You collected this meat. I told you to manage the two she gave you. He gave Haruna and I one. We didn't complain.
You say one.
You go person pot. Go.
I've one. He has one.
Spoon and go in there.
Try him now.
What kind of person are you?
No, they fear. Try him. I will bury you here. No. Touch him now.
Touch not for your clothes, eh?
No, touch him. May anybody touch him. No, touch him. See whether I don't go bury you for here. No.
This is where they form for this house. One day I go use needle. Bust that boy where they are happy. Please don't believe.
I no bust them. If you no go enter the clothes, I feel wear them.
They form Jagaba. One day I'll give you labor. You go dey obedient. You go know how far.
This food is really tasty. This food is nice. Oh, sure. It's not
Try the
so
best
well. Yeah.
Mr. Lucas, I went through your profile on internet. I like what I saw there. Please, can I trust you? I want to trust you, so don't let me down. The last real estate agent I contacted duped me. So it is safe to say I have trust issues now.
I understand you, ma'am. I do. You see, in this our job and industry, there are definitely bad eggs. But I can assure you, my company is a reliable company. You can trust us.
Are you sure?
100%.
Very good. So where are your catalogs?
Oh, forgive me, I left it in the car. I didn't know you wanted to see them because you picked the ones you liked already on the Instagram. But I can get them for you.
No, don't worry yourself.
Oh, okay. Okay.
About the 2 houses we discussed,
Yeah.
I am going to take the one in Banana Island.
Perfect choice.
I love that one.
Perfect choice. That house is the real deal. Total package. I love it. It's a good deal for you.
Okay. So how much are we talking about here?
The estimated value for the property is 1.5 billion naira. My commission is only 20%.
Wow. 1.5 billion.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Can I see the house?
Oh, why not? If you want, I can show you right now.
Let's go.
Okay. Waiter.
Collect now, don't collect. I mean, you get what you go play.
Don't say this game that me get am. Don't be say I don't dey go market make be like say I don't go. You understand? Because everything dey with me.
Not
Don't worry.
yet.
Yeah, collect you.
You say? Don't be pick two. Oh. Okay now.
Oh, God.
We just dey go market. Na so they dey go market. This are the you where they go market. Boy.
Insult me, say we dey play card.
Yeah, play game.
You hold on now, make it that. Wait, so wait. I will play.
Go check the gate. See this one. I will finish with today.
Who be that?
It's me.
Come. No say hi, baby.
Hi.
Chi?
Who the bring?
Come.
Baby, not food for there. Sweetness of them all.
Yes, baby.
Finest of them all. The only girl wey dey give me joy. See my queen. I don't want now. Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. I've been expecting you.
I'm so sorry. I had something to do. What did you drink?
This thing.
Don't card.
Alright guys. Single guys. As you can see, my baby is here. And I need to give her my full attention. I need to give her everything. I know this matter now. My queen. See her, babe. You be full spec to the 99% of men in this world. Who they check out? Eh? I
beg, see my head.
go do the needful. You know now. The only guy when they make me do more. Eh? Even when I come, I go still won't do more.
Enjoy yourself.
This guy is out there. Oh, guy, I'm going to play game. No, they look person, babe.
Yeah, guys, see that again.
He said, see, they look person, babe. He say, he won't make cases scatter your head. Go get your own babe. No, he dey peep. If they dey inside room now, you go door, still dey peep. Hello, my love.
Ejike, don't love me. Ejike, your children and I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. The money you promised to send me, I'm yet to receive it.
Carol, please. I'll send you money. You know, things are really hard in the city. Just give me some time. Let me see what I can do before the end of today. Please.
That was what you said yesterday, Ejike. Do you want us to die of hunger and starvation?
Nothing will happen to you guys. Please exercise patience for me. I will see what I can do before the end of the day. I promise. You know?
See, Ejike, better do something, oh. Else I will leave your children and run back to my father's house, oh.
I will see what I can do. Please. All right. All right. What do I do now? I need to send some money to Carol. What do I do? Mr. Nelson. He still hasn't paid me. Hello, Mr. Nelson. Yes. I'm still expecting my payment. The job I did for you, I haven't seen any payment. Oga, please, I need this money. I need this money. I have an urgent need. I need this money to sort out some things. I worked for you and I'm still expecting payment. Yes, now you told me yesterday. He ended the call. Mr. Nelson.
Babe, you are so sweet.
I know.
This is why I always want to do more.
Hey, babe. What about the money?
Come on, babe. I have not forgotten. You know I always do anything to put a smile on your face.
Yeah, but just give me the money.
My baby. My baby. Sweetest of them all.
Yes, baby.
I feel good. I really missed you.
I miss you too.
Can go.
Eh? Babe, give me the money.
I want to do more, baby.
Give me the money.
I'll give you the money.
Yeah, give me the money first.
My baby.
Give me the money first.
Give me one more.
Give me money first. I'll give you little.
I'll give you the money.
Give me the money first, now if you have it.
Hello, Instagrammers. How are you all doing? Hey, look who we have here.
Hi guys.
Yeah, Tina. Hey, can you spot her hair? See that? That's from Sonia's hair extension. You guys remember the brand that was influencing for the other time? Yeah, she got the hair from them. Yeah, whatever Casa Diamond touches goes global. Sonia's hair extension. Popcorn. Instagrammers. Hey Sandro. Who's this one? Hey Sandro, how are you?
Tina, please, can I talk?
Because Diamond is fine.
Oh, sure. I hope everything is okay.
Yeah. Sorry to distract you.
That's fine. It's okay.
Cassidy!
What's that? Hey guys, I'm back on land. They want to kill me.
You know they fear to take my money, Abi? You know they fear to take my money, Cassidy? I kept 30,000 naira under my bed. Now, 10,000 naira is missing from me.
Hey,
and you were
JC.
the only one who entered my room yesterday.
Hey,
Where's my money?
Is that why you want to kill him?
Will you get your silly mouth from this matter? Who called you?
JC, do I appear to you like a party thief? A big influencer like me who makes millions from influencing brands of people on Instagram? 10,000 naira?
Thunder fire you. You hear me? Thunder fire you. Thunder design your face. Look, if you don't go drop my money from where you take a man, you see you bar. If I no blow you till death, no say no be me be this. Me bar, you go take my money. Just what time you go do you now?
Calm down. What did they worry you? Now because of 10,000, now you want to keep us a picking.
God punish you.
Now you go punish.
God put the first. Your papa.
The man.
Your mama go die for accident.
You go. If I'm not for those,
ordinary 10,000. You don't see 10,000. Now your life be like this. Now you don't see you. You don't grow white hair. You see what 10,000 you attempt to.
I didn't take your money, please.
You ba. Your entire family would have go die for accident.
Hey, you're so aggressive. Oh my God! Aruna, help me!
You said, calm down. You sound like woman.
I go kill you from this house.
You almost strangled me. I lost my breath for some minutes. Oh my God. What?
Your fellow man hold you there. He be okay.
Did you see how I was behaving? He wanted to kill me.
You're going mad.
Oh my God, I know what's
Something
wrong.
when they born, call a man.
Oh my God, I'm traumatized. Now, take me to the hospital, please.
Can you imagine?
Just sit, please. Just sit, okay? It's okay.
Rubbish.
Sorry, it's okay. Sit. Are you okay?
I'm hurting.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
See, I didn't steal his money. I can steal 10,000 naira. Come on, you should give me some credit. See my scarf, I imported it from Turkey. You know how much I make influencing brands. And then 10,000 naira. Oh my God, I'm so sad. He looks so down on me. I'm so sad.
It's okay.
Can you take me to the hospital, please?
Cassidy, you just have to calm down.
I need to check my neck. Maybe some kind of x-ray or something.
Babe, come on, what is it? You've been like this since I came back. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Babe, come on. Talk to me. Do you want money?
No. You've given me enough money already.
Well, not enough. Because I intend to spoil you with it. You know I love you, right?
Yeah, I know. And I love you more.
Good. So tell me what is troubling you. Did anything happen today?
It's Casey. I don't like the way he talks to me and every other person in this house.
Babe, what happened?
Today, after doing all the chores, I made lunch, and as usual, I dished out food for everyone.
Okay.
But Casey had the guts to go to my pot of stew and take extra meat, adding to the 2 I already gave him.
What? Well, who gave him that right?
Baby, this is not the first time he's behaving rudely to me. The other time he complains that I usually give him 1 piece of meat. So I increased it to 2 so there won't be any issue or a misunderstanding in this house. But he went to my stew. Baby, honestly, the next time he tries it, I would insult him. He will not like it though.
Is he mad? What? Does he provide anything in this house? No man, nothing. He has no right to even demand for 2 meat or 1 meat. What? Is he okay?
He had the nerve to ask me if he were to be my boyfriend, would I give him just 2 pieces of meat? That I should treat him like the man that he is. Can you imagine?
So Casey is now comparing himself to me. He's trying to turn the rules in my house. No, now that is what I will not take. Not in this house.
Babe, please just let it go.
No, there's nothing to let go. What do you mean? No, I have to attend to this.
Baby.
No, the last thing I will take in this house is someone insulting the woman I intend to marry. That I will not take.
Baby, this is why I did not want to tell you earlier.
No, baby, there's no need to calm me down. I'm not trying to calm down. I'm trying to calm up.
Babe! Lucas!
Guys, I know what I'm talking about. I kept 30K under my bed. The money I'm supposed to give to my girlfriend.
Guys, you need to believe me. I didn't take any money. I only just went there to take clothes. Casey, not the first time I enter your room with that.
No, this is not the first time. And this is not the first time money is missing in this house. Money has been missing.
And I'm supposed to be the culprit.
Yes, you were the one that entered my room yesterday. You, this mosquito.
Casey, really?
Casey,
oh my
maybe
God.
you didn't count the money properly.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Like you say,
Hey,
oh my God.
I have huge respect for all of you. All of you. Reason I allowed you to stay in my house. Huge respect. I don't complain whatsoever. But listen, what I will not take is any of you disrespecting my woman. I will not take it. No.
Listen, no, because who disrespected Tina?
No, this is even going directly to you. Casey, I'm talking to you. The next time you talk to my girl rudely, I will deal with you. Look, what I will do to you, you will not believe it. Talk to her rudely again and I will deal with you.
Now come up for ya, Lucas. No fit do anything. I say make you come up for ya. You know fit do. You know fit.
Oh my God.
What am I sir?
Did they follow me talk?
Who you be, Lucas? Which one say they follow you talk? Who you be? And they follow you talk. You said know my voltage now. You don't see the be. They say they follow you talk. Who you be? Who you be, Lucas? Lucas, you don't be anybody. I say you don't be anybody now. Not be you again, do man. Lucas, the highest thing where you feel do now to tell me make I come up for your ass. And I go gently come out because you said you know me. You know me now. But make I tell you one thing, no the buga. You see the buga, you see the red shoulder. You Lucas, you see the red shoulder. I did not forget the things I did for you back then in school. You said no, you know the kind fight, you know the kind thing what I did for you back then in school. Lucas, and they give you money like small pikin, and they sub your phone. That balance phone where you use, na me can see, and they sub it for you. Don't forget, say the level where you there now, the life, the soft life where they live today. Say that person, now keep you there. That person, na me. You be my boy then, nah. You come be because of that thing, that lizard. That's why you are. Are you stupid? Look at you're calling here, please. Calm down. See, let me warn you guys. Lucas, I don't care anymore. Anytime a girl comes visiting here, she's to do no chores in this house. If you want to do things, do it yourself. I don't care. If you cannot live by my rules in this house, you get out. I don't care anymore. Rubbish. Leave me alone. Let's go, please. Lucas, punch me. What's the meaning of all this now? No, wait. Relax. Lucas, get mine. Punch me. Me. Lucas, get mine. Punch me. Me kissing and Lucas punch because of that thing, that lizard, that chingom. Say coming down. That baby when you reach my bed, maybe. It's okay. No wahala now. Coming down. He don't punch me now. It's okay. No wahala. He said no my voltage. Lucas punch me. There you wait. One pass now. One pass. I saw one pass.
Oh my God, I've never seen Lucas this angry all my life of being friends with him. Hey. Oh my God, I was really pleased. Let's go check on Lucas.
Avoid me.
Oh my God, Lucas is pissed.
Anyhow, Tina get mind. Report me to her boyfriend. She get mind. Report me, Casey, to her boyfriend. Lucas gonna talk to me anyhow. She gonna talk. Lucas gonna talk to me careless.
It's okay.
Not me for this ass. Don't worry. I go mess her up. I go mess Tina up.
Babe, I know what she did is wrong. I mean, if the guys have misunderstanding, it doesn't mean she should just go tell him everything. No. It's okay.
Don't worry. Leave her. Leave. No. You see Tina. Leave Tina. Since she want to set a drift between Lucas and I go mess her up. That girl will be wish. Since she came into the picture, Lucas is no longer himself.
Babe, just forget the whole thing. Yeah, just forget it. Cause me, I'm just thinking, you know you wanted to ask Lucas for money. Now that you people are quarreling, how are you going to do that?
Don't worry. Before tomorrow morning, he'll be fine. Yes, that's how we always fought back then in school.
Thank God.
But we still had each other's back. Don't worry, before you leave tomorrow morning, I'll go and meet him. As for that girl, you see that any girl, I go mess her up.
I believe her.
No level. You see that again? No level. Me Casey.
It's okay. It's okay.
Perfect, come punch me.
It's okay, don't drink it.
Tina, I go mess you up.
Babe, don't
I go
drink
show you pepper for this ass. You go run come out. You go carry your pants. They run kitty kitty. They run kata kata.
Baby, it's okay.
Baby, wait first.
It's okay now. That's how you almost spoiled my nails there.
Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can. Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back to us. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back to us. Bringing all together.
Every time we spend together, there is fire in our eyes. I got a thing
Yeah, God, you ask words, speak to me. I don't know what you did to me. These people know I don't like mopping. Eh? This thing spoils my nails. They don't still leave it for me. No, what should I do? Do I have a choice? Oh, I need to update to my followers. They need to see Cassie Diamond mopping. Hey guys, hello Instagrammers. It's your favorite celebrity, Africa's most expensive influencer. How you guys doing? See what I'm doing. I am mopping my house. You see, I love to do these things. I don't see need to get a maid. Look at the ties. I got them from Turkey. They're actually marble ties. Yes. yeah, see my house, the house. You like it, yeah? I know you like it. Yeah, but I've got driver here. That's me cleaning the car.
Now that one,
Look at my car.
Now that one, I don't go upset. Which guy fake like that one? So the person say he call me driver.
Why you coming to the back like dog?
Okay, if you want lie your lie, you leave me out of your. Which I be your driver? Say you buy ties from Italy. For us where they squat.
Now talk here, I talk. I don't say Italy. You don't even feel hear anything. It's Instagram why they follow. You know how many followers they here?
Which follower?
They can't hear your voice when you back like dog.
Okay, no, they use me lie you. Since they blow your light, they fit use a rig election.
Oh, you go rig now. Now you never rig since. Hi. No go let me do my thing. Not waiting until they make one. No, don't worry now. Very soon I will buy house mansion for Banana Island. Not this influencer till I go see him.
Which
I go see him. I go come for here for now. I got to see me every day now.
Cause they lie. Even devil go hear your lie. Shout Jesus. What happen?
And because they see me for you every day, that's why you don't know my value.
Why?
Celebrity now big. Go ask them for Instagram. They know Cassie Diamond. Go ask them.
No be only Cassie
If
Diamond.
you see me for outside, say you don't know me before, you go stop. Make you snap picture with me. But I don't even let you snap. You know the iPhone.
Brush
you know
teeth.
the iPhone educate, so you don't even snap with me for
Go
road.
brush teeth, Oga.
Hey guys, sorry there was an interruption. Yeah, so I am back to marking. Yes. See They just brought lights and the AC came on its own. It's actually a smart home. I don't need to press the remotes. It just comes on when the lights comes on. You get? So guys, how are you doing?
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy.
Come on, please look at me. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I know I went overboard, but they pushed me to the limit.
I am not happy with you.
I know, okay? I'm sorry. Come on, but I will not watch my friends disrespect you. I was only standing up for you.
I am not angry that you stood up for me. I don't just like that you don't listen to me. I told you not to fight with anyone. But you let your anger get the best of you.
Yeah, well, someone had to remind them that this is my house.
I know, babe, but you...
Yeah, come in.
Giafana, I beg if you find me like 40k, I won't use that tidy something. I know why I said like this, I broke. Casey, I have no money to give to you. Ah, now what for you, Lucas? How can you say that? Be big boy now, everything deal with you. Your balance show. Okay, fine. If that's because of waiting so no reason now. I was angry, that's just don't worry, everything don't go.
Casey, I have no money to give to you. Leave my room, please.
You don't get 40k.
The door.
Can you imagine? He couldn't even apologize for last night. Casey is so mannerless.
That's Casey for you. I'm sorry, it's not in his dictionary. He doesn't know how to say it. It's a shame though, for him. It's a shame. Hey babe, look. When I come back, I'll make it up to you, okay? Come on now, smile for me. You don't want me to have a good day? Alright, I'll get you flowers when I'm back. That will do. I love you.
You better.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy.
Babe, this money will not be enough. 15,000 naira cannot fix my nails and hair now.
My baby, I know very well. Okay, fine. I promise to make it up to you.
That's the same thing you said last time. You promised to make it up to me. Every time you keep giving me incomplete money, there's no time I'll ask you for money. You give me the full money. I'm beginning to think you're doing this thing intentionally.
Baby, you have to believe me. I kept 30,000 naira for you.
Okay.
Okay, I will send you money within the week. I promise. Please just... Babe. I asked Lucas for money. He lose guard me. No wahala. I go treat him for cup. She be my babe, don't vex. You two go vex. Babe, give me small thing. I tell me say you don't get.
Miss Chantal, you know you and I have been friends for a while now. See, just give me this endorsement. I can actually convince my Instagram followers to patronize your fashion home. You know I have the buzz and audience on my Instagram. Because Diamond.
Well, Kasandi, endorsing you for my brand, it's not a problem. But right now, I have put my money into some properties and some things, so I don't think I have money for financing endorsements.
I understand, but do you know you can just give me 300,000 naira? And I will do it, I don't mind.
With someone of your standard? Are you serious or you're joking here?
Yeah, I understand that Casey Diamond is expensive, which is one of the reasons why I'm the African most sought after influencer. But you see, at this period, I am broke. I just need cash.
You're gonna settle for 300,000?
I don't mind. I don't mind kneeling down if that's what you want, just to prove that I'm serious.
No. It has not got to this. Don't do this.
You can actually do that.
Shoot that broke. Ew.
I have some things I want to sort and I need cash.
Okay. Listen. Oh, okay. I'm going to do this for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I didn't budget for it, but I'm going to do it for you. But please, Cassidy, please don't let me down. Do not let me down.
You don't have to worry about that. I'll give you my best, all right? Yeah,
I don't trust anyone. Don't even ask me to trust you, because I will not.
I understand, but you still got to trust me. At least not for today. Like, we've been friends for a while. You should know my vibes. What I can do for your brand,
I
you know.
love money, so I would not like to lose my 300k for nonsense. So be careful, please.
It's not going to be nonsense. For 400k followers on Instagram.
It's okay.
Imagine 400k people patronizing your brand.
No, it's all right.
Thank you so much.
I'll do that
You're
for
such
you.
a
What
darling.
are friends for?
Aww.
So you're going to sign for me?
Oh, okay.
All right.
That's fine. Do you have like a photographer that can take us pictures? Like,
that would be next time.
I need it.
Okay, we're going to do that.
Thank you.
It's all right. So
All right.
you can sign here for me.
Okay.
Just hold on.
Oh, guy, sincerely speaking, you really messed up. Oh. You shouldn't have reacted that way.
What way? No, tell me, Ejike, what way? That's why in his house doesn't mean he should treat us like slaves. Nobody be slave here now.
That's true anyway. Assuming my own job is paying well, I shouldn't have been here by now.
That's it.
I should have rented my own apartment.
Exactly what I'm saying. That's just it. Don't you see how he treats you? Like an errand boy. Boy. Ejike, go and wash my car. Ejike, go to the market. Eh? See, let me tell you. Let him go and employ workers. Are we supposed to be doing all those things? See you, grown man like you see white hair. Oh. Every time you be going to the market, washing motor. No, nah, it's not done. There no be anybody boy, yo. All of you can be boy, but me, I can never ever be anybody boy.
Relax.
Fresh boy like me, I call they go market, they go buy a say.
Forget all those things, we'll play game. Man, you don't come they drink now, come win you say they play under the influence of alcohol.
Even if I know if you win me,
I'll give you 2 games, 2K.
If I know win me, my brother, no if you win me.
Oh, yeah, take now, we'll play.
No be that one they do me now.
Okay, they para. What did they make you para? See, rich is not be like that. Oh. If you ginger all this way, they ginger. If you no still make come for life.
Now blood now go through your mouth. Which kind of talk be that one now? Which
joke.
kind of bully talk be that one?
I joke.
If I shot for that.
No, words no be by me.
I beg me everybody.
Bringing all together, trying to make life easy.
Hi, come on, guys. I just came to share my good news with you guys.
My chest.
Yes.
His boy.
I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys are looking at the latest ambassador for Chantal Fashion Home. I just backed the multi-million deal, guys. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I couldn't contain the joy here. He's rolling.
You take one.
It's gone, bro. It's gone, bro. 2 million naira, bro.
So dramatic.
Come on, darling.
So you wanted to scream down the whole building?
I'm sorry. Couldn't contain it.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Congratulations.
Thank you, darling.
Cassie Diamond.
Yes, darling.
You have been doing so well for yourself recently. So I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Oh, thanks to Instagram. It's done.
Great.
Oh, yeah, bro. Thank you.
At least you can pay me back the 10K you stole from me.
Oh, shut up, you rabbits! Always backing like
Have you
a
forgotten
dog.
you stole my money?
I never stole your money, bro.
You stole my money. You stole my 10K.
I didn't steal your money, 10K. Oh, come on, give me some credits, darling. Ambassador there. Ambassador, guys. Oh, wow. Tina.
Guy, you're gonna take us out now. Are we going to club tonight?
We'll fix a day for that, not tonight, bro.
Let's go fuck shit up!
Yes, bro. Hey, darling.
This is so good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, you guys can actually go back to whatever you were doing. Thank you.
This guy just a drama queen.
Oh, you again all the time?
Stop my piece again. You see what I'll do to you. Try it next time.
Oh, drama queen.
No. All the time you're barking like dog.
No, leave him.
Oh.
I got you, bro. Nice one.
Thank you so much, bro.
Nice one. Take care. I'll be in.
George.
Go inside.
Don't mind him. It's the saddest.
Why throw your pillow now?
Don't mind him. That's how he behaves. Cats feeling like a dog. All right, darling. See you later, okay? Thank you. Oh, let's go. My guy. Joy. You want to make a nice
Bring it
right?
all
Let's
together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care.
Who are we chatting?
Nobody.
Let me see.
No. I'm sorry, you can't.
Are you cheating on me?
Cheating. Baby, you know I can never do that. I am contented with what I have.
You better not cheat though. Because if you cheat, I will just cut off this your manhood.
No way. No. You and I know this is what is keeping you together in this house. You want to starve?
Yeah, I just hate you.
I love you.
Yeah, that reminds me. Cassidy bagged an endorsement deal of 2 million naira.
Cassidy. If you believe the words that come out from his mouth, you'll go crazy. Come on, leave the guy. He's just all about chasing clout. Okay?
You don't believe him?
No, I don't believe him. But it's okay. I like the guy. I mean, such a positive vibe.
Yeah. And he's really kind too.
Oh, yeah, he's kind. Very kind.
So, as I was saying,
Yeah.
who are we chatting?
No.
We're going to see this chat. We must see
you
this
are
chat.
not touching my phone.
Oh, really?
No.
Babe.
You're not touching my phone.
Who is this? No. You have to. Who is this girl?
Who is which girl?
Because why don't you?
It's a little witch. No, just leave my phone. Privacy here, please.
Privacy.
Okay. What are you doing?
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Bring it all together, trying to make life easy.
Oh my God. This guy is so beautiful. Oh God. Wow. Oh my God. Who owns it? Lexus? Oh my my God, there is no plate number. Did Lucas buy a new car? You can buy us drink, oh. Hey, Instagrammers. How are you guys? Cause Diamond is here. Wanna see my gifts from me to me. Early birthday gifts. Hustle. If anybody tells you no go make, I'm not lie. I got this for myself. No man involved, Hard work.
No cheating. No cheating. No cheating.
I'm nervous actually. I'm very nervous.
Just take it easy.
Okay.
One step at a time, okay?
Okay.
Alright, take your neck down. One. Next one.
Okay.
Good. One more. Yeah. Alright. No cheating. Don't open your eyes.
What is this?
Hold on.
What's up?
Open it.
Oh my God! Oh my God, you bought a car for Tina? Oh my God, Jesus, thank you! Oh my God!
You like it?
Oh God, baby girl! Oh my God, this is so beautiful! Oh,
Come here. What? Give me. What's the problem? Which are last someone celebrate her car? Why you always being so dramatic?
No.
Tina, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Oh God!
This is a good one, bro.
Let's go cruise town, Red. We'll let those low-life bitches know that Tina is in town. Oh, that's my seat. I'm coming.
Okay, rest now. What is the worry? You're burning too much. You just feel like somebody use charger cord wipe your ear.
Hey, dog. So there you go, yeah. Hey, sugar, I'm skinny sitting to your makeup. Yeah.
Cassidy. Such a vibe. Baby, you love it,
so nice.
I love it. You're the best.
Yeah, we love you, darling.
What's the problem?
Cassie.
What?
You guys should just let him be. He's so
How can we celebrate with her? You know, next is gonna be me. But then I'll be getting a Bentley or a Porsche and some cheap Lexus.
Baby.
Man, I'm happy for you guys, man. I'm happy.
Kill him, play some music.
This is a fucking brand new car, bro.
This is a perfect fit.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, queen.
This machine.
From a king.
You like it, yeah?
Where is it go?
Thank you so much for the car. I wasn't expecting it. But baby, you shouldn't have gotten me a car.
Why shouldn't I? Come on, you deserve everything. Okay? You know why?
Why?
You don't ever ask me for anything. Ever. Unlike some other girls I dated in the past. But not to worry. This is just a preamble. I intend to spoil you.
Oh, you're spoiling me already.
I love you.
I was just about to say that. I love you more, baby. Yeah, Cassidy was genuinely happy. But I can't say that for Casey.
Cassidy. Yeah, Cassidy. He's just a free-spirited guy, you know. When you're happy, he's there to be happy with you. When you're rejoicing, he's rejoicing with you. When you're sad, he's there to share in your sorrow. He just doesn't know how to hide his feelings. Casey, on the other hand, well, can never tell. He's just a rigid guy, so don't let that bother you. Okay?
If you say so.
It's your car.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Sleep well, okay?
Yes, now. He just bought her a new car. But I asked him to give me 40K. Ordinary 40K. Chicken change. He said that there is no money, that he doesn't have money. Lucas said that he doesn't have money, but there is money to buy his girlfriend a new car. Ordinary Tina will not do anything for him. Tina will not do anything for him. He carry money, go buy car for him. Can't keep matrix, Corolla matrix for us, Dalopi. Make we dey drive for 4 guys. If he buy car for all of us, what go happen? If he buy car, give all of us, share all of us, what go happen?
Baby, you just need to calm down.
Baby, don't tell me to calm down. You don't know what I did for this guy. If you know the kind of thing where I do for this guy, you're not going to tell me make I calm down. Person why they carry along, I know the kind of thing what I do for her. I dey give her money, steady. Even when her papa die, I know this kind of suffer why I suffer.
Babe, my mom is calling me here. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, bye-bye.
Tell you say make you give me 40,000 naira. You tell me say you no get. It can't be Tina wey no get nyash, she no get breast. Nothing. Palasa babe, we just there anyhow. I can't carry money, go buy. No wahala. Tina, you abi. You won't come eat from where you know labor. No problem. If they no saddle breakfast. I go wound you today, no worry.
For where?
If I no cripple you, no joy. Damn!
Yay! For where? Your service no work, sir.
Play now.
What's that? They really look good together. They are in love.
Not for too long.
How do you mean? Guy. What's happening? All the guys in this house are so dramatic. I will love you, I will love you, I will love you.
Stop now.
Come on.
AGK, please stop.
Let me open the gate for you.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy.
Asiamo.
Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can.
Love is sweet, love is sweet, love is sweet, oh.
Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back to us. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back to us. Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back.
What is wrong with Casey? He hasn't said anything since he came in.
My brother, I don't know. He has been like this since yesterday.
What do you think would be the problem?
You're asking me? How am I supposed to know? Am I in his head?
Casey! Casey!
I don't want to talk to anybody for now. So make all man day in day. Make una no dey involve me for una careless conversation no. To avoid careless beating.
Break the door now, your house. I think his bad mood has something to do with Lucas buying a car for Tina.
Why is he so pained about it? I don't understand. He has every right to buy a car for his girlfriend if that's what he wants. Besides, he loves her.
But Haruna, you reason now. Lucas bought a car for Tina. But we've been begging him, disturbing him to change our car. Since.
Don't tell me you two are getting jealous. Come on, Lucas is trying for us. We are matured men. And I think it's about time we start providing for ourselves. Yes!
Oh, my mouth shut up.
Better.
Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care.
Where are the guys?
I don't know. They went out after lunch.
I miss them though. Babe, do you think I'm being too harsh on them?
I don't think so. I think you're harsh as you should.
Okay.
They can't depend on you forever, baby.
Yeah, I know.
And that has got me thinking.
Thinking? What are you thinking?
Why don't you settle them? I mean, give them a reasonable amount so they can start up a business.
You think I, Lucas, have not tried? With all the money I have, you think I have not done that? Just last year, I gave each of them 2 million naira. 2 million to do whatever they want to do, invest in any business. And what did I get in return? Stories. Ejike said he put the money invested into his business. Till today, I have not seen any business. What of Casey? He invested in a blockchain. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Blockchain? I don't even know. And then Haruna said he got duped. Yeah. Cassidy. Of course you know Cassidy. He loves to borrow. So he ended up paying his debt with the 2 million.
What?
Exactly. How am I supposed to do that again? They're not getting 1 cent from me. No, I'm not doing that again.
That's ridiculous. Oh, baby. What about when we get married and start having kids? They can't live with you forever.
Yeah. I know. But not to worry. We'll cross that bridge when it comes, okay? Don't worry, we know what to do. Alright. Hey, come here.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can.
One at a time. You're almost there now. You're becoming a pro. See? Okay, then turn.
Turn.
You can do it. You can do it. Break the tongue.
Okay. Let's go.
Put your leg. I'll do the rest.
Okay.
Okay. Then put the rest. Yes. Okay. Somebody is a professional right now.
Am I?
You were doing it on your own.
I was.
Yeah, I was
you?
just there looking at you.
It's not true.
Okay, let me
Are you serious?
Professional moves.
Let's see.
Professional moves.
Let's see.
You get
Okay.
it?
Ooh. Get it. Careful.
Professional moves.
Wow.
Always, you know, in control.
Wow. You're just showing off.
Show off.
Show off. Show off. I can do this.
I can leave my hands, you see?
You see, I can do that. I don't want to just show myself. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that.
I hate silence. Yeah, like why are you all quiet? We've been eating here for some minutes and nobody's saying anything. You see, this is why I like
interacting with my Instagram followers. I can't stay a minute without talking. Oh my God, someone should say something, trendy stuff online or something, some political news or something, fashion news or something. Just say something. Ah.
Guys, let's hang out today. I mean, I miss my boys. It's been a while we did it. Look, I know we've had a rough week. Casey, I'm sorry I punched you.
Oh.
Yeah, you were off the line, but I'm sorry I did that.
I feel like crying. It feels like a reunion, no?
We're cool, Lucas. Alright, guys.
Yeah, sure. I think it would be nice if you all go out tonight and hang out, have some fun.
Casey, you're not saying anything.
Because I don't know what to say.
Alright, so we go out tonight and have fun, alright? Bills on me.
Okay. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so good. What should I wear? I really need to look my best. I don't know.
Young man, I don't have any clue to give to you today. Make use of what you have. What's wrong with you?
But you know why I'm a celebrity and I really need to look my best, right?
Instagram celebrity to my foot.
Jealousy.
Jealousy kill you there.
Okay, boy.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy, doing all that I can.
No. So, how do I look? Wow.
Stunning.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you look so good.
Okay.
You better not look at other girls when you go out today. Because this one that you're dressed so fine.
Jealousy. Jealousy. Why don't you come with us? It will be fun.
No, babe. Let's just go out and have fun. It's guys' night out, so I'll be here watching my movies, waiting for you to return.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Well, not to worry. We'll be back early, okay?
I know. Be a good boy.
Always. Alright, see me.
Okay.
See me out.
Let me see you off.
Guys, are you sure I look good in what I'm wearing? Jake?
Yeah, you look good. That means you're wearing what you have today. You can't always wear people's clothes, so you look good. Nice one.
Come on, guys. You know we haven't been out together for a long time. So I need to look my best. Outshine you guys. So all the girls in the club can float around me. Celebrity. Influencer vibes.
Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, bro.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we said.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Tino.
Where's Casey?
Do I look good?
Oh, I think he should be in his room.
Get him, let's go now. He's wasting time. Yeah, are you sure I don't want to come with you?
Yeah, you look good.
Yeah.
At least you're wearing what you have today.
It's really fun to have you.
I look better than you, though.
Cassie.
Hey, baby.
You're looking good.
Oh, thank you. You know, I was even asking them if I look good.
You look good.
Thank you.
Casey. What's happening now? We don't dress finish. You know they go again.
Man, no fit go. I know where.
What is wrong with you?
I say na malaria.
Hey.
No fit go. No na dey go.
Sorry, yeah.
What's up now?
The guy said he's not feeling fine, that we should go.
I don't understand, like malaria or what?
I don't know, he's just lying on the bed there. He said he can't go.
Alright, let's go then. Let's go.
Let's go fuck shit up, bro.
Okay.
Mustn't wait for him.
Yeah, we'll go. Okay, probably get him a malaria drug or something. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's head out, guys.
Tino.
Can you just be going, Cassie?
No, you come with us?
No, I just want to see.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Bro, you didn't open the door for us. You hold the door when you open. You're a gentleman.
Cassie.
It's darling.
Cassie. So please look after my baby. Make sure no girl comes near him.
You have nothing to worry about. He's safe with me, yeah?
Trust you.
You know I'm all yours, okay?
I know.
Oh, you don't do that.
Go get your baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, darling.
Bye. Francis.
Go to the back.
Look on.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Back to this boring house. Oh.
Right. But I'm exhausted. I think we should do this more often.
Yeah, that's
Of course,
true.
now, that's what you should be, man.
Like 2 to 3 times every month.
Are you the one paying?
I wasn't stop paying.
Is that not too much?
No.
Alright, let me give Casey these drugs. Okay, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright?
now. My regards to him.
Okay.
No, he's good. I'm sure he's good.
Good night, Lucas.
Bro, what's up? Are we
So-
sticking around? Are we going to bed?
No, was he really sick?
Oh boy.
Whatever.
See you tomorrow.
That's not this point my shirt.
Yo, Casey. 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 Are you in the restroom? Are you in there? Casey. Where did he go to?
Tina!
What is going on? What is going on? Oh, no.
Baby, what's happening?
Tina in my house! You brought in a man!
No, no.
On my bed?
No, I'm not bringing any man.
Oh my God.
So is that guy, baby?
Oh my
Babe,
God.
no, what's happening?
Oh my
What's
God.
going on?
No,
What's happening?
Lucas.
Babe, I don't know.
No.
Who is that guy?
Lucas, what's going on? I just saw one guy run out from the house. What happened? You cheated on me in the house!
I'm not cheating. Cheating, can I cheat on you?
Shut up your mouth! Don't fucking lie to me! Am I blind?
No, I don't know.
How?
No, baby, I don't know who that guy is. I swear, I don't know.
I don't care. Just get out of my house.
No, baby.
Get out of my house! You still here?
No, baby, wait.
I'll kill somebody right now. How can you bring your man into my house?
No, baby,
How?
I don't know who he is. I swear, I don't know who he is.
I caught you red-handed right here.
I
Oh my
know,
God!
I just-
Oh my God!
Oh
She's
my
your
God,
woman. Calm down. I don't get just. Can you get her out of this house?
No, please.
Did you not see the guy? No. The guy was naked. He was naked. I saw the both of you were naked. Tina, how could you do this? I thought I could trust you. I trusted you with my life.
You just out by this time of the night.
Yeah, it's late.
It's not safe in the streets, okay?
I don't care.
What's going on?
Get out of my house. I'll kill you.
Babe, I don't know what is going on now. What is happening here, please?
No.
Somebody explain what that guy is.
Just calm down, all right? Just. Fine, you don't want to leave. You guys don't want her to leave. Okay, I'll leave for you. Jeez! Just calm down, bro. Calm down.
Kissy.
Then I'm really disappointed in you.
No. I swear. I don't know who that guy is. I swear.
Lucas loves you.
No.
You love him more than life itself, and you choose to cheat on him.
No, I'm not cheating on him. I did not cheat on him. What are you saying?
I'm so disappointed.
No, Kissy, please. Aruna, please. I swear. I don't know who that guy is. What's going on? Please, someone is. Please explain
Lucas!
what's going on. What?
Bro, you need to calm down, right?
No. What's happening? No. Oh, no. What's going on? Please. No. What's happening?
Tina. Please take good care of yourself, alright? I tried talking to Lucas, but he wouldn't listen.
It's alright. Please tell him I'll wait for him. When he realizes I'm innocent, he knows where to find me.
Alright. Be strong, alright?
Thank you.
I believe you're innocent. We'll miss you here. Can I help you?
It's fine, thank you.
Are you sure? Oh my God.
Scum. That's all they are. Scum. All these girls, they're all the same. Wicked and heartless. If you see her, tell her. Just tell her I hate her. I hate her. Tell her I hate her for hurting.
Let me have the drink. Come on, bro, let me have the drink. Stop drinking.
I'm good.
You're letting this weigh you down. I don't like it. You're letting me weigh you down. Very soon you get over it. It's just with a matter of time. Calm down, okay?
I hate you, Tina!
Lucas, calm down. There's so many fishes in the ocean. I need you to know that. With time, you get over it. Be strong, man. You're a man. Be strong.
Why would you hurt me like this?
Stop.
I hate you.
Come on, be strong, bro.
I hate you. I hate you. Why would you cheat on me?
Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share.
Hey bro, how is he doing? Huh? Poor him.
It's fine. See, guys, Lucas is really hurting. And we need to do something about it as his friends.
I think we need to call Tina. Yes, see, Tina is the only person that can take away his sorrows.
Which kind of talk be that? Eh? Which kind of nonsense talk be that? What did they even smoke? Who be your dealer? Because some kind of time they talk like person wey head no correct. Tina cheated on him. She's the reason he is going through a lot. And you're saying that we should cut Tina. Cut Tina for what? See, don't mention Tina's name in this household.
See, I and Tina we're very close. I know her to an extent, please. I don't believe she did that. She's innocent.
Well, if you had seen both of them on bed last night, you wouldn't be saying what you're saying now. I think Tina is actually wicked to must have cheated on him.
Don't mind him. See, let me tell you. You're a man, oh. And it's high time you started acting and behaving like one.
Hey, Casey, excuse me, please. Excuse me. For the fact that I'm a feminist does not give you rights to talk to me anyhow. Please.
Then act like one. And stop bitching around.
What's giving you the right to talk to me like that? What? Damaged fool.
You so...
Come on, guys.
I never even punch you, now your life be like this. If I can't punch you in court, they do like school.
This is not the right time for
guys, what's happening now?
Go. Do your eye now. Let's say they're mad. If they do that, you're nonsense. Don't do it near me. Oh. Share the hear me.
You say you can even beat me?
You say what?
No, keep us in
Just look at.
Yeah.
What is them poor man?
No killer move.
Sorry for. Nonsense.
Make sure Tina again for this house. You go see what will happen to you. He blood up through your mouth. Just don't say not be me be Casey.
Okay, leave this guy. No use man power be two man.
Eh? Let me that. Which kind of talk with that? Who be woman? Eh?
I call your name.
Sassy B. Boy.
You rest.
I don't know why they throw spits come here now.
You should be grateful because you actually hit the bottle wash, bro. One boy.
Okay, now Rosemary did this.
Hey.
Does anybody want some more soup?
Can their girlfriend ever?
Okay. If you want, it's always here.
Baby, you are the best cook ever.
Thank you.
Guys, have fun now. My babe don't cook. Oh. I don't say when they enjoy herself.
Babe, your food tastes so nice and very delicious.
Thank you.
I'm enjoying every bit of it.
Thank you. Cassidy
Diamond, please.
Oh, Cassidy Diamond.
Yes, baby.
You're not saying anything. I'm normally quiet.
About the food?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, but I think you can do better. What?
Don't mind you.
food is nice. Whoa. Can you see that I'm sweating?
I never see influencer with a chop apple.
The girl served me. Tina never served me apple.
Cassidy, go and call Lucas.
As what? As what now, your maid? Anyways, you just send him a DM on Instagram.
My friend, will you go up and call him? Send which useless DM. Are you mad?
Whatever. No. Hey, Instagrammers. Yeah, how are you? I'm back.
No, it's not funny now.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy.
Lucas. I sent you a DM on Instagram. How do you even stay a minute without checking on your Instagram? Anyways, food is ready. I came to call you to come eat breakfast.
I'm good, thank you. Thank you, Cassie, I'm good.
Your food is already served at the dining, bro. Listen, I understand how you feel. Well, you should expect that these things happen in relationships. There's no way you'll be in a relationship and not expect to be served breakfast one day. These things happen even in marriages. They serve each other. They get served breakfast once in a while. Don't get worked up over this. Bro.
Cassidy, I'm fine. Okay. I'm okay.
See, you have to come and eat, so don't go kill yourself because of woman. You know you have a fine house, and plenty people dey with this house, they enter their eye, yo. If you die now, before they even bury you, people don't take over this house. It will shock your dead body.
Just go, I'm okay. Cassidy, thank you.
Are you sure? Come and eat something. Poor Lucas. Poor Lucas. Don't kill yourself, please. It's alright. When you're ready, the food is down there.
Bring it all together,
Lucas.
trying to make life easy.
Really?
Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can.
Babe, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I've noticed that those things. Babe, do you know that Zainab's boyfriend bought the iPhone 14? Babe, if you see the phone, that phone is so fine. The camera quality. It's very nice, though. Babe, I want iPhone 14.
Chineye, always try to be contented with what you have. You don't know what the boyfriend did to get his money. Except you want me to use it for money rituals.
I don't understand. Which one is be contented with what you have? Eh? You use me for money ritual?
Yes, of course. Because it's obvious that you're pushing me to go and do rituals. When do you expect me to get money for iPhone 14 Pro? I don't even...
Okay. What you're saying now is that I cannot use iPhone 14. Is that what you're trying to make me understand? Tell me now.
Which one am I using? No. Which one am I using?
Babe, please, I don't know how you're going to. I cannot be using iPhone 13 Pro. Not even Pro Max. If it's Pro Max, it's understandable. iPhone 13 Pro. 13 Pro. Please, I want iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's not even 14 or 14 Pro. don't know what you're going to do to get it.
Okay, fine. If you want iPhone 14 Pro Max, there is only one way out.
Which is?
Hello, Carol. Why are you still calling me? I thought I sent you money last week.
Ejike, I need money to buy medicine. Nonso is seriously ill.
What is wrong with Nonso?
I don't know. He has been vomiting. We don't have money to take him to the hospital for treatment.
Oh, okay, I'll see what I can do about it.
Ejike, it's not what I can do. You have to do something. Send me the money before the end of today. Else, if anything happened to your son, I will not be held responsible for it too.
Okay, no wahala, no problem. I'll see what I can do. Which kind of wahala with this? Every day from one problem after the other.
I'm looking for the Netflix remote.
Lucas! Lucas, what's my girlfriend doing in your bed?
I don't know. I don't know. I swear. I don't know. Just try and wake up.
What do you mean you don't know? What's she doing in your bed?
Just wake her up.
I should wake her up.
I don't know, bro.
Chineye. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's dead. What? My girlfriend is dead. You killed my girlfriend.
Oh my god.
Lucas, you...
Are you sure she's dead? I don't know what happened. I was here. She came into the room. She wanted to give me food. I said I was not gonna eat. I said I didn't want to eat, and then this is happening. Oh my god.
Lucas!
Are you sure she's dead?
Lucas! How dare you have sex with my woman?
I'm sorry.
Lucas, you have... How dare you?
I'm sorry. I don't know what is happening.
You know what? I'm going to call the police. You will rot behind bars. killed my girlfriend.
Help me here. Help me, Casey, please, it's me.
What do you mean I should help you? You killed my girlfriend and you're asking me to help you, Lucas.
Bro, I'm begging you, look. I'll do anything, I promise, I swear. I'll do anything, I'm begging you, man. Casey, please help me here. Help me, I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Are you so scared? How did this happen?
You do anything I ask you to do.
Anything, bro, yes. Yes, I'll do anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes, I'll do anything. My girlfriend, man.
My girlfriend! Damn!
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Shit. What is this? Are you sure she's dead? Are you sure she's dead? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, she's dead.
Lucas, you killed my girlfriend!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think we should call the police, man. We should call the police.
Call the police indeed. Go ahead and call the police. You will rot in jail. And if her people eventually find out, even if you are in the police custody, they will find you wherever you are and kill you. I promise you that. Go ahead and call the police.
What have I done?
You will pay me 10 million.
What?
Yes.
Why?
Because she's dead and I will help you cover up. I'll help you cover up her death. 10 million or nothing.
Okay. 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 Just take care of me. Take care of me.
I hate you.
Yeah, I found now. Where they come back from? AGK they look for you since so.
I went to take care of some stuff.
Some stuffs like
Which kind of question be that one? They ask me some stuffs like, I be your boy.
criminal.
Is it done? Yes. I threw her body off the bridge. Oh my God. Nobody will ever find that dead body. I've cleared your mess as usual.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Thank you so much. I'm forever grateful for this. I'm forever grateful.
It's okay. But don't forget. Always have it at the back of your mind that I will never forgive you for killing my girlfriend, for killing my love.
I'm sorry.
I only helped you to cover up because you are my friend. For old time's sake.
I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Don't forget that I have a recorded evidence of everything that happened. Don't forget.
Yes.
anything. I killed somebody, man. I killed somebody.
It's okay. Good. What happened has happened.
Yeah.
Life goes on.
Yeah.
Life goes on. Nothing happened. Yeah, nothing happened. Did anything happen?
Yeah, nothing happened.
Hey, shut the fuck up. You killed my girlfriend. You killed somebody.
Yeah, I killed somebody. Oh my God. I killed somebody. Man. The guys are going to find out. They will know, man. The moment they see me, they will know.
Shut up.
I can still see her face.
Shut up. Oh my God. Now I want you to go and freshen up.
Yeah.
Come downstairs and pretend as if nothing happened.
I pretend.
I don't want you to come down and be messing up. You pretend. Cheer up, come on, cheer up. Cheer up, my friend. Smile.
Yeah.
Good.
No.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing.
Shut up! You killed my girlfriend. You're telling me nothing happened.
I killed somebody, man. I killed somebody. I fucking killed somebody, man. Oh my God. I can still see her face.
Make sure you transfer my money.
Yeah. I do that.
Killer.
Hey guys, hello Instagrammers. See what we have here? Noodles. Yeah, I made it. Because Diamond cooks too. I don't only do Instagram. I cook. See?
Hey, we can chop now.
Welcome. Yeah. See my guys, see my friends. They came to my house.
You know go rest.
Yeah.
Come. Look here. Don't use me to do that nonsense, so. You hear me? Don't even turn that camera and come where I do because I go wipe this slap. Nah. Let's say they crease.
Whatever. So here, meet Haruna, AGK, Lucas, the boys are in my hood. Yeah. See? Kasi Diamond. Yeah, see my mansion, Haruna, say cheese to the camera.
Don't put me to that camera. I'll take your phone.
You go to your PC, I won't blow you.
Where is Chine?
That's true, she's not here.
She went home to see her parents.
Oh, okay.
Wetin dey worry you now? No, wetin be your own? She not tell me no involve me for the video. Wetin dey worry you? See, I go wipe you slap, oh. No try me, oh.
Blow you small.
You dey craze?
Guys, we're
if I wipe you slap now, let's say they mad.
Don't happy say I won't blow you. Blow you. 400 followers. This isn't a joke.
Instagram influencer my foot. You go find better job where you go do. If you involve me for that video, I go wipe you slap.
So guys, sorry for the interruption, yeah? I'll get back to you, right?
Interruption kill you there.
Whatever.
Hi Instagrammers, now you cook this food. Now you cook am.
Kissy, I beg now. I really need this money. I promise I will pay you back.
You know, see. No. You know, see. See, I'm now. You don't need my help now. I can't do like a better person. Don't worry. I will give you the money. You know, say if my guy will do say some kind of do like person will no get sense. I will give you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't worry. I will transfer 100,000 naira to your account.
Use it and solve your problem. That your useless problem. Use it and go and solve it.
No lie. Casey, if you won't give me 100k, where you foresee money?
What did they worry you? Which kind of question come be that one? Eh? Which kind of question be that one now? Beg I get choice.
No verse.
You need the money, or you don't need that?
I need them. I was just kidding. Sorry. No verse.
See beggar when they ask me where I see money. Just go. I will send the money to your account. It will be 100,000. I have your account details.
Thank you very much.
Not thank you. Say thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm in charge. Group boy.
Later.
I will soon win. The game is winning 3-3. Now, wow. I go play you game. General market. I collect another one.
No be by general market, Oga.
Go market. Wow.
Haruna. Where KC they get all this money where they spend lately?
My brother, myself, I'm shocked. Even Lucas gave him the car he bought for Tina.
That is the point. Those two are up to something.
You think so?
Lucas, dash you car. Lucas can never dash out that car like that.
Just like that, have you?
I'm telling you. They are up to something and we really need to find out what it is.
I think you have a point.
Oh, wow.
Don't even try to run. Don't even try it. You think you can run forever, eh? You think you can run forever? After collecting my money, you did not do anything. You did not post my brand. Eh?
Chantal, calm down. You embarrass me.
I'm embarrassing you. Embarrassment kill you there. Embarrassment finish your life. You're very stupid. Do you know how to make money? Eh? You collected my 300,000 naira. Aye.
Miss Chantal is not what you think. The thing is, I've been heartbroken and I've not been able to do anything on the internet.
Heartbroken? Oh, you were not heartbroken when you came begging me. Heartbroken kill you there. Eh? Oh, so you're even wearing my clothes. You are even wearing my clothes, walking around the streets.
Miss Chantal, calm down. You're shouting. You embarrass me.
Ah! You're telling me that I'm shouting on top of my money. Ah! People, make una come on.
Calm down, please.
Thunder, go fire your mouth. So you're wearing my clothes, walking around the street. You did not post my brand. You did not do anything. And you said I'm shouting.
I was just going through a heartbreak. I will post your brand, I promise. Please.
Oh yeah, put those clothes.
Come on.
Put my clothes now. What is it? Put my clothes.
People are watching you shouting. Calm down, please.
People! Make una go see your thief! Thief! Shameless celebrity! He is broke or he's a broke ass nigga! Make una go see una favorite celebrity! Broke ass nigga does not have money, oh! Now Gary the drink for your house, you don't get money! You can go pay me 300,000, give me my money! Give me my money! I will naked you! I will design your face with my nails. I will call the police on you! Give me my money!
I'll pull it.
Oh yeah, pull him! Pull him!
Okay, you're leaving. Just let me.
Stop pulling it!
Just let me be. I'll take it off. Just let me be. I'll take it off. I'll take it off.
Take it off.
Miss Chantal.
Take it off.
You really want to do this?
Oh, we are speaking English. Thunder, fire, you attack English where they speak. You don't get money, they speak English. You don't get $1 for pocket, they speak. Look, I see empty pockets where they speak English. Oh, make I see empty pockets where they speak English. Who go polish you?
Excuse me, I'm a big influencer.
Oh, really? Ngwa, give me my clothes. Influencer kill you there. Give me my clothes.
Do you really want to do this?
Thunder go fire you. Now your papa, if they ask questions, Thunder go fire you. Give me my clothes. I go put handle.
Come on, don't be rash.
I go put handle.
Don't do
I go put handle. Give me my clothes.
Help me.
You don't even get singlets for house. You don't get shameless idiot celebrity. Celebrity will not get fake life. I go kill all of una. Give me my clothes.
We don't wear this with
I go off among.
It's okay. I'll take it off. Take it off. Just calm down. Just calm down.
It is how they smile with you.
Calm down. You're hurting me.
It is how they smile with you.
You're hurting me.
I go share say na for sure they grow. It is how they smile with you. Thunder go fire you. 300,000 as na play.
Please.
Not gonna have me see problem. Oh.
You shot them.
300,000 and this idiot collect from my hand. This idiot. One of you make money when they speak English up and I no get money. See him. See him.
Take it off.
Off my clothes. Today, you go know say person dey craze. Not be me Chantel. You no go use me play. Offer. See the clothes they smell. But come on, perfume, you no fit buy. Come on, perfume, you no fit buy. Smell top clothes what I give you. Perfume, how much do they sell perfume? Says my clothes they smell crayfish, oh. Says my clothes they smell crayfish, people. Hey! Celebrity, crayfish. Oh yeah, offer. I go naked you. Offer. I don't care. Offer.
You really want to do this, Miss Chantel?
You really want to do it, go kill you. Offer.
Miss Chantel.
Hey. I know well, oh.
Bring this to your office, please.
Miss
Chantel.
Hey. Offer now. Oh yeah, offer. Start the offer.
Miss Chantel.
See your bosses. Rainbow color. Big boy, where they wear rainbow color bosses. Make una help me see. Designer go kill you. See how they smell crayfish. Offer.
Easy.
Off my clothes, oh! Make una help me, oh! Off am. You go off am today. Show you the off clothes before you go off shoe. Useless guy. Idiot. Ewu. Off am, oh! Off am. See am. Shoe they smell like where rats die. Off am, you no get stockings. Ewu. I'm not saying for those aboki where they walk out for road, now you buy this nonsense. Off am, give me my clothes, my come out.
Chantel, you don't know fashion.
See am.
You don't know fashion.
You don't know fashion.
We talked about singlets, we don't wear singlets.
Look at you. Offer.
She really doing this to me?
Bring it all together.
Punish your generation. I'm coming for my money, oh. I'm still coming for my money. Don't know anything. Idiot, stupid guy.
You're doing all that I can.
I didn't believe you though, but it's fine. It's back.
Bring it all together. Trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care.
Hey, Cassidy. What's going on? Why are you half naked?
It's a long story.
What's happened?
Cassie.
I got robbed.
You got robbed?
All my fancy clothes and some other stuff. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Come, what happened? Cassie!
Is he being serious?
You know what?
I don't understand this guy. This one a madness, so. On Instagram celebrity. No, it's unbelievable. This guy is not normal. He has gone sane.
Bro, welcome, Jerry.
Yeah.
How was your day?
Good. I see you guys. I'm inside.
Look at.
All right.
I'm gonna come over play a game. That guy is funny. I'm gonna play a game. That guy funny.
Say the rubber. Now they leave box as far as.
We know that don't go borrow crew they collect that.
Hi!
What the heck? What are you doing here? What do you want? Welcome, murderer.
Stop calling me that, okay? Stop it. My name is Lucas. Lucas, that's my name.
Really? Have you forgotten what happened in this room months back? Have you forgotten? Have you?
How much do you want? Because I know that is why you are here.
I need 10 million.
What? 10 million? Guess where do you expect me to get that kind of money from? Come on, man. I've given you 10 million for the past few months. What are you saying?
I don't care. I don't care where you will get the money from. All I care is that I need 10 million naira from you.
Why are you doing this, Casey? Why? I mean, I thought I was your friend. Like where do you want me to get 10 million from?
Okay, fine. Let me make it easy for you. 5 million. You give me 5 million naira.
Okay, I'll give it to you. But I don't have it now, okay? I need to run around for it. Okay, just give me 2 days. 2 days.
2 days?
Yes.
I give you 2 days, murderer.
Hey. Man, this guy wants to rip me off. What have I gotten myself into? Jesus.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can. Bring it all together, trying to make life.
I was summoned. What's the problem?
Take. And what's that?
Watch now, watch something.
What kind of a phone is that?
Watch the crease. Watch, my friend. Just watch it.
Oh, this. Wow, 3 million views on Instablog. Bro!
Really?
This video was posted 6 hours ago, and as of 2 hours ago, I checked it, it was 3K views on Instagram. And here, my God! Don't just even posted it. OMG, this is so good. Even Yaba left. Oh, please wait, let me check my handle.
Stand,
Oh my God, 400K followers more. I'm hitting 800K followers on Instagram. Oh my God, this is nice. See, very soon I'll hit 1 million followers and influence if you will go up. My God. Wow, this is good.
You are mad. Like, you're very stupid. So your video is trending everywhere on social media.
Naked video.
Naked video.
Oh.
And they are taking the likes, views. Are you not mad? Eh? Cassidy, have you gone bananas?
My God, bananas, please.
They mad. If you correct me here again, I go wipe you slap. What's in the worry you? You never crazy.
You know, I actually wish it was a sex tape or something. At least it will go more viral. By now, I might have hit my 1 million. Please, let me see your TikTok.
If I wipe you slap now.
Okay, your shame they shame me. Your shame they shame me as I sit up for here.
Who was this one?
And they shame on your behalf.
So, Cassidy.
Cassidy Diamond, please. Hey!
Cassidy, this is the life.
Cassidy Diamond.
If I wipe you slap her. Now
Whatever.
you dey correct me.
Whatever.
No, you dey correct me. So this is the life you choose for yourself. Eh? Stealing people's clothes. Eh, Cassidy?
I would even do more.
Instagram influencer my foot. Just see your life. See watch out. See what everywhere you talk.
It's going well, right?
Cassidy Diamond, that's what.
Cassidy Diamond, dump head.
Okay. I really don't want to talk, but to be honest with you, I must say that I'm really disappointed in you.
Who will be this one?
So this is what the multi-millionaire deal is all about. Your naked video is trending online. Guy, I'm disappointed in you.
I have never been appointed.
And do you know the worst
you.
part of it? You're even proud. You're even proud of it.
For crying out loud, this is a blessing in disguise. I've doubled my followers, bro. When I hit 1 million now, influencing fee goes up. So what the fuck you talking? The more controversies, the more my followers goes. And as soon as I hit 1 million, my influencing fee will go higher. So what the fuck you saying?
You dey promise speed, they go first. Hey, you know the shame. Your naked video they trend everywhere for Instagram. You
know what they vex me? When they born this guy, they actually jubilate for hospital. Say they born pikin.
They happy they chop rice.
They born pikin. Mama carry amora. They dance.
They don't say that nonsense like that.
Okay, you be wasted semen. I swear.
Please, at any time in your life you happen to make money, make sure you invest on some mouthwash.
Yeah? You can imagine this guy.
You own a body odor. That's only wear your cheap clothes again.
Oh, my clothes now smells.
You don't smell it. Because I don't get yours, I'll just pack perfume, wear and cover them.
So my
but they
clothes
won't
now
die
smells.
inside.
My clothes now
They
smells.
stink.
Now what you go do now to just beat you? We don't beat you for this ass. We go lock you for this ass. We go beat you where?
As how soon now? Bitter. Bitter, they beat now.
My mouth is smell.
They beat. Sass on the beat.
See, guy, this man.
Sass on the beat. They beat now. I beat the beat you see your body.
You get luck say they don't use blank wiping for this your waist there. By now for the waka wear.
Come wipe am. Jobless youths. See them. See. Now they gossip. 800k followers already. Very soon 1 million. And by then.
Oh, they go now. They go now.
They go from your house.
Go your boys' quarter now.
Boys' quarter. Where be boys' quarter? How many of them are the squat for here? I did for private apartments. When I did for your school. Now I did boys' quarter. And don't forget when you start to make money. I don't know where you go. That way they even make money. But anytime we make money, they buy mouthwash.
The wakala who carry shit for nyash.
Thank you.
Sassy B. You ba. You go see what you gonna happen to
come beat now. Sass on the beat.
You get us say they don't naked you. They for come under your pants. Maybe by now your bola for the dango everywhere.
I beg, come from WhatsApp, make video that make trend.
Yeah, where they smell.
Make trend, make I hit 1 million followers. So that's my problem.
He actually said.
See the comment. Everybody that abuse him. Everybody just insult him.
Say this guy too they smell.
And to know whether on a mouth they smell now.
I should have told you, bro.
You know say the boy don't carry filter per mouth. Maybe on a 2 months. Chine, I don't have any money to give to you. I don't care if you are dying or not. No be maybe your papa. Don't ever call my line again. Luxury girlfriend. You want to buy a phone? Beg. Come on, try call my line again.
Bringing all together, trying to make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can. Bringing all together, trying to make
course. By the time you get to read this letter, I must have gone far away. You are a definition of a good friend. Your heart is as pure as gold. I really appreciate all you've done for me over the years. I will forever be grateful to you. Me going away doesn't mean it's the end of our friendship. I have to go and be a man. I can't keep living under your shadow. I have to learn how to stand on my own. I have to depend on nobody but myself. Tell the guys I am grateful for all the good and bad times we spent together. I will forever hold on to the good memories. I will miss you, my dear friend. Cassidy.
Cassidy. Drama queen. I wish you luck in all you do. And I hope someday I'll see a bigger and better you. I'll miss you too, my friend.
Casey, what is this now? Come on, man. You can't keep doing this. This is my room, for crying out loud. Jeez.
This is 2 days already.
I know. And I'm still working on it, okay?
Lucas, I give you 5 hours to make the money available. Else.
Else what? No, else what, Casey? What are you going to do that you've not done already? What have you not done? All you do is rip me off. Just because I made a mistake. And here I was thinking you were my friend. I give you money every month. What is this? You know what? I refuse to be your puppet anymore. I won't tolerate it. I'm calling the cops myself. I'll call the police and report myself. What?
You want to call the police? Go ahead. Go ahead and call the police. What will you tell them? That you killed someone and dumped her body for months. Come on, Lucas. You know what that means. You will go in for it. My guy, you will be jailed for life. Or maybe, mistakenly, you come out. My guy, I thought they tell you now. I thought they tell you before. Say, Chineye people, they rugged. They go find you. They will look for you. Even if you hide under hole, they go find you, kill you. They go kill you, throw away, my guy. And you don't go see me anywhere. Oh. I go back there. You just saying at that time for school, we be saying I go come they fight your fights. You don't go see me. So, do you still want to call the police? You still want call Papa? Killer we won't call police. I want be. You want to make yourself look stupid. You want to bring down your personality, your name. You will suffer. You will rot in jail. Call the police now.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy, doing all that I can.
I don't say that this boy ain't go dey call me. I don't get money what they give you. I don't get shishi what I will give you. You stop my life. Let this boy know they call my number now. I don't get 1 naira what I will give you. If you call finish, you rest.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy, doing all that I can to
Who is
show
there?
everyone that
Who?
I can.
Who is there?
Karuna,
Why did you call us here together? What's going on?
Just wait a little longer. We'll all find out the truth today.
Truth? What truth are you talking about?
Here she is. Please come in.
What? What is she? What is this woman doing here?
She's innocent of the accusations. Tina here never cheated on you. It was all a conspiracy.
What are you talking about? Were you not here when we caught her in bed with another man?
That was what we saw. How about the truth behind it? On that very night we were supposed to go out, then you decided to stay back, forming sick. We left the house.
You put something in her drink. She took it and fell unconscious immediately
and was carried into the room.
Then you brought in this man. To pretend that he slept with her, which never happened. You are evil! What is this man doing? What is he doing here?
Lucas, relax.
This man never touched Tina. Casey here paid him to frame her up simply because he wants Tina to be thrown out of this house. Lies! That's all lies! You're just here telling lies! You are evil!
Haruna, what are you talking about? Are you serious about this?
Ask Casey here. He knows exactly what I'm talking about. Which guy cannot stop with that? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, he's actually saying the truth.
Scene. Am I going to watch tonight? Oh. Hey sis. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to send it. I'll send it to you shortly. Just give me a minute. Yes. Okay. Sure. Sis, I've sent them one.
It misses much.
He paid me to do what I did. Yeah, she's innocent.
Casey, what did I ever do to you? What did I do to deserve such hatred? You framed me up. You made it look like I cheated on the man I love. How could you? Why are you so wicked, Casey?
I swear to God, you will pay for this. You will pay for this, I swear.
Pay for what? Better not say anything. I did what I did to get her out of the way. What is wrong with you? Casey, what is wrong with you? What has gotten into you? Why are you this wicked and heartless? Heartless? Did you just say heartless? Maybe you want me to tell everyone how you raped Chineye to death.
What? Lucas,
I didn't do anything.
what is he talking about, Lucas?
What? Your so-called boyfriend raped my girlfriend to death and paid me to keep quiet.
I did not rape anybody. What? I did not rape anybody. I did not rape her. I did not rape her. Okay.
Lucas, you raped my girlfriend to death. You raped my girlfriend to death.
Calm down, I got this. Please, you can come in now.
Lucas.
You're alive.
Jesus.
Yes, I'm alive. I never died.
Chineye, what are you doing here?
May thunder strike you dead. Wicked idiot. Oh, this is all your plans, right? This is what you planned. You want me to suffer, huh? While you enjoy everything that we worked for, all by yourself.
What are you talking about?
It was all Casey's idea. I brought you dinner.
Take the food away. I'm not eating, please.
You have to eat. You need to move on.
Can you just leave my room? Someone might see us.
Nobody's going to see us. It's just the two of us at home. I'm not going to leave this place till you eat. You're still thinking about her. That girl cheated on you. She doesn't even have an iota of respect for you. She brought another man into your bedroom. Okay. I'll just take the food away if you don't feel like eating.
Wait. I'll eat the food.
My sweet girl. My baby. My sweet potato. My figure 8. My award-winning actress. The only girl will always make me want to do more. Even when I come, I go still want to do more. Baby, how you be now? Don't mind that food. Don't mind that. Even to say you and do something. Anna. Na mugu. Maybe I just spent 500,000 naira finish. Money I just give you a few days ago. Ha! Wow! Easy they spend though. No worry, I go send you small thing. I go send you small thing. But me, easy nah, easy. You too like life. I don't hear. This girl too like life. Eh? Me she is you. You can't finish my money.
Casey here asked me to seduce Lucas and pretend to be dead in his room. Lucas thinks he raped me to death, but he didn't. I only drugged his food and he slept off.
You're evil!
This fool shamelessly used that medium to extort money from Lucas because he thinks that I'm dead. You will die in his room.
Hey! Ogu go kill you.
Vultures will eat your flesh.
Ogu go kill you.
You will die in his room.
Poverty go kill you.
It has
That's
already
so you
finished
do it.
you.
Down, poverty.
It has already finished you.
Casey, that's so you did.
Casey, so... This was all you... You planned this?
Casey, what did I do to you? I thought you were my friend. What did I do to you? You planned all this for me.
What?
For what? To extort money from me? Why? Was this why you convinced me not to call the police to report myself? Huh? And you put fear in me to tell me that Jillian's family will kill me. So this was all you. Kiss. I'm calling the cops.
Please call the police.
Never now. I didn't do anything wrong. There's nothing I did wrong.
I'm ready to face the consequences
Evil.
of what I've done.
You.
Hello?
Poverty will kill you.
Vultures will eat your
Poverty
food.
will kill you.
Bastard. You will die of
Officer,
hunger.
Where is this guy going to? Where is this guy going to?
Officer,
Come here.
hello?
Come here.
Hello?
Baby, I'm so sorry. Hey, please, I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. Look, I'm on my knees, okay? Please, I'm so sorry, baby. Forgive me. I should have trusted you more. I should have believed in you. I never knew I had the beast in my house. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. Please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my God. I missed you so much. I missed you.
Honestly, I have been praying for God to open your eyes to the truth. When I finally got Haruna's call, I was so relieved.
It's just sad. Apparently, Ejike and Haruna, they are the only ones we can trust.
I'm so glad to have you back in my life. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Where's Cassidy?
Cassidy,
He left. Yeah, he said he wanted to go look for greener pastures.
Oh. I wish him all the best.
Yeah, me too.
I love you so much.
I love you more. So, I toast to long life,
Long life.
peace in our marriage,
Peace.
children.
Okay.
Yes, and never getting tired of each other.
Cheers.
Yes.
It's good.
I like it. So, Mrs. Tina Okonkwo,
Mr. Lucas Okunko, what is it?
why are you looking so sexy?
Oh. Okay. Okay. These children.
I think we should be talking about children.
You
Kids
want
now.
you want kids, right?
Right here.
Mm?
I want them here.
Where?
Here now.
Babe. These guys, they're coming.
I don't care. You're my wife. This is my house.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Babe. Babe, let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go to the room. Okay.
Is that what you want?
I'll be more comfortable there.
All right. Mrs. Okonkwo, you lead the way. Come on.
This
The
man.
room is.
This man.
I cannot wait.
Okay, okay. You wait though. You wait. Babe. Baby, wait now. Just be patient.
To make life easy. Doing all that I can to show everyone that I can.
What are you doing in here?
I was collecting soup. A soup I won't collect.
You came to collect soup? So Haruna, you've been the one stealing money in this house.
Money? Ha! No.
Then what is this on the floor?
Lucas, it's not what you're thinking. I wasn't trying to steal your money. I was only counting the money.
Who asked you to count? No, who asked you to count my money? Hey. You know what? Go in there, pack your things, and leave my house.
Lucas, please. I don't have any other place to go to, please. I'm sorry.
I said,
I'll never steal your money again.
No, babe, don't beg for him.
I'll never steal your money again.
Go in there, pack your things, and leave my house.
It hasn't gotten to this now.
You're still here.
Please,
Haruna, you're still here. Get the fuck out of my house, you stupid!
Just calm down, please. Just calm down.
What?
Okay, just calm down, okay? It's okay.
Oh my God. Please. No, babe, where did I get it wrong with these guys?
Baby,
my God. Look at he's cutting soap. Soap! I'm so sorry.
Bring it all together, trying to make life easy, doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Bring it all together, trying to make life easy, doing all that I can to show everyone that I care. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share will in one way or the other come back to us. Nothing will stop me from being who I am. The love you give and the friendship we share.
What a life. I am the only guy remaining in this house. I feel like my days are numbered. Any little mistake, then I'm out. I can't go back to the village. I can't suffer with my wife and 3 children. I have to be very, very careful before Lucas sends me out of his house.
Doing all that I can to show everyone that I care.
I think, okay, this actually works. No, that's not fair.
That's not fair.
Because I know, and then I'm saying, come on. What's your plan? No way. Okay. But this is okay. I think I like it better.
Lucas.
Hey, Jack. What's up now?
I am fine. I want to talk to you.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, man. What's up?
I have a confession to make. All the while I've been living here, I've been lying to you guys and to myself about my true identity. But each passing day, the truth comes glaring at my face. I can't keep it anymore. Please. I have a wife, and 3 children. Yes, and I tried to hide it all this while, but you've been so nice to me. You've been so supportive in everything I do. I can't keep lying to you. I really need to go back to them and, work, hustle, and take care of my family. You've really tried for me. So that is why I said, let me open up to you. I am a married man. My wife and children, they're in the village.
Oh man, Jack, I can't believe this.
I'll have to go back to them. Ghana was the village.
Man. Jack, I literally, I don't know what to say, man. Come on, a wife, kids, bro. Why didn't you tell me? Man, I can't believe this, man. You should have told me, bro. A wife and kids in the village. You know I'm always here for you, bro.
I'm sorry.
Look, there is no need going to the village. Okay? You have to bring your wife and your kids to the city. Okay? We set up something. Alright? You're not my guy. You should have told me since. Now you allow these kids to stay in the village suffering. That's not fair. It's not.
Thank you.
It's alright, bro.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. You know my guy. Hey, Jack, married man. It's okay. It's okay. Now you make me want to have kids more. Hey, come on. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Let's be our own. It's okay.